Did you know that the luxury fashion brand Loewe also has a fragrance line? Let's take a look at 4 of the more affordable items that you can get from Loewe Perfumes. The Spanish brand released their first fragrance in 1972. Since 2013, their fragrance collection has been transformed by their creative director Jonathan Anderson, in partnership with in-house perfumer Nuria Cruel. One of their guiding principles, a commitment to craft, is reflected in artisan details, with nature as the ultimate inspiration. This was my first time ordering from them, and the unboxing experience and packaging were unique and luxurious. I thought that the samples were especially cool. The first item that I bought is one of their sample boxes. They have 3 available, and this is the best sellers. If you decide to get a full-size bottle after sampling, you'll receive 10% off. The next item that I bought is one of their home scent sample sets. Their candles come in these beautiful handcrafted ceramic vessels. Their home scents are inspired by vegetable gardens. You can sample them with these adorable wax melts, and if you decide to get a full-size jar, you will also receive a 10% discount. The next item that I bought is the large solid soap. It has a nourishing formula with exfoliating red algae particles. I have a strong love for botanical fragrances, and this tomato leaf scent did not disappoint. I also got it in the incense sticks. I love that their home products have a strong throw. Loewe's quality is truly top tier.